Gerbil shaker?
Patrick's like...
I'm videotaping you.
He's recording.
I'll put it on YouTube later.
Gerbil shaker? I'm surprised you're able to open that so very easily.
You're an ass. Yes!
It's like the ultimate flipping
Oh my
camera.
gosh!
It's a box, yeah. Even though it's in there.
Did you
You gotta sing the song. Rebel, rebel,
Oh! You
Rebel.
are the best brother ever! Ah! Is this the same one that you have?
Yeah.
So I'll actually kind of know how to use it.
Well, you know where to stick your eye.
Model and everything.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited!
I was planning to give it to you early so that you can take pictures of the holiday party and whatnot.
Yeah, totally.
You can't take a picture of whatnot. Hey, your room's clean. What are you, waiting for another inspection?
He doesn't have anything in his room to put. He has one picture on the wall.
Nice picture.
You look good, Cohen. Thank you so much, Cody. I wish I could hug you and kiss you like when we gave each other presents when we were little.
Oh, jeez, thank you. She figured out the lens cap.
Oh, I'm so excited.
I had a good couple of days. It was pretty good news. So I haven't had it, so I'm not getting sleep.
Oh, you do? Do you have medicine?
I don't take medicine.
What's the regular... Is this the regular thing that you had on it? This is it?
Yeah.
Total lens.
Shut up, Dan.
This is where I shut up.
Oh, I'm so excited! I have to square it in.
Take the back off, take the front off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, like that. The other way. Righty
I
tighty.
didn't get you a memory card, though.
I have one for my old
That's what
camera.
Mom said.
Is it an XD?
Yeah.
Oh no, I think it's different. But I think I have one somewhere. I think.
Does it need some kind of battery or anything? Oh, yeah, I see the battery.
It comes with a rechargeable battery.
Okay. Yeah.
Do I have to take it out of this little yellow thing?
Oh, yeah, here's the charger. Here's your charger.
Oh. That's a pretty big battery.
That's a pretty big camera.
Ah!
Charger.
All right.
I have no idea. Oh, it's
Funny because I know exactly everything that's in that case or in that box.
You are so awesome, Cody. Thank you so much.
You gonna take a picture of him?
Well, I have to figure
No,
out.
just you need to charge the battery.